Hey everyone, welcome back to another DNAKE webinar. I'm Ava from the marketing team.
And I'm Vivian, technical engineer at DNAKE. We've got a lot of exciting updates for you today.
That's right, we'll be covering 3 topics today. First, we'll take a deep dive into the new features and improvements in DNAKE Cloud version 1.7.0 and give you a sneak peek at what's coming next.
Then we'll give you a glimpse of our 2025 product roadmap, what's in the pipeline, and what you can look forward to.
And finally, we'll share some big news about DNAKE's global expansion and market plans, including new offices and the upcoming exhibitions. It's all about getting closer to you.
So let's do it.
Sure. Well, let's kick off with the first feature. Indoor monitor now can receive calls via SIP server. In larger projects like resorts, the indoor monitor and the door station are often put on different networks to reduce wiring costs, especially when covering large areas or long distances. In traditional setups, this means the door stations can't call the indoor monitor.
Exactly, but with the new version, we've introduced a solution that solves this issue. Let me walk you through how it works.
Sure.
The first step is the installer log into the cloud platform where all your devices are managed. Then click on Device, add one by one, set a name. Select Indoor Monitor and fill out the building, unit, and apartment number. Then select Host. Once you've done all that, a new option, Received Call Via, appears.
Okay.
Select SIP Server. You can check out the descriptions here if you're not familiar with the new function. After saving, the cloud platform sends the SIP account to the indoor monitor, allowing it to receive calls from the door station.
I see. So even if the indoor monitor and the door station are on different networks, the SIP server makes sure they can still connect and communicate, right?
Exactly. No more worrying about network issues. Communications is seamless, and it makes things a lot easier for large projects.
That's great.
Yes.
Well, we've just covered situations where both the door station and indoor monitor are connected to the internet. But what if the door station isn't online because running extra cables is too expensive? If I'm not home and a visitor or a delivery arrives, can I still take the call on my app?
If the door station is not online, but your indoor monitor is connected to Wi-Fi, the call won't go straight to the app. But no worries, the indoor monitor can transfer the call instead.
Oh, that's handy. How do we set it up? Can you show us?
Sure. Just log into the property manager account.
Yeah.
When adding new resident, select Indoor Monitor Transfer Call under Mode.
Okay.
Before version 1.7.0, we already had a call transfer feature, but the transfer speed could be a bit slow. Now with the new update, the indoor monitor forwards calls to the app through the SIP server, so it's way faster. Well, if the door station is online, you can just select Door Station Direct Call. It'll call the resident's phone directly via SIP server.
Oh, that's nice. So even if the door station isn't online, calls can still go through like super fast. And property managers don't have to deal with extra wiring costs. And the residents never would miss a call or a visitor.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about something just as important, hands-free access. Imagine this, you're driving home after a long day and your garage door is connected to a C112. Once it verifies your access, the door opens. But here's the thing, getting out of the car to swipe a card, too much hustle. Unlocking it with the Smart Pro app while driving, not exactly safe, right? You don't want to end up scraping a curb or running into a bush.
Exactly. That's where Siri voice control comes in. Just say a command and your garage door opens without you having to lift a finger. Setting it up is super easy. Let me show you.
Okay.
First, open the DNAKE Smart Pro app and go to Me, Unlock Settings, Siri, tap Add, name your scene, and select your device to unlock specific relays.
Okay.
Add it to Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, open the door."
Okay, done.
See, the door is unlocked successfully.
That's great.
Next time you're driving home, just say it, and Siri will send the command to DNAKE Cloud to unlock it.
That's it? No stopping, no fumbling with cards or phone, just smooth, effortless access? I'm sure that's the kind of welcome a lot of people want.
Let's move on to another cool upgrade on the DNAKE Smart Pro app. You can change your voice while answering a call now.
Oh, really? That's exactly the kind of feature I've always wanted too. If I live alone or if I'm a kid home by myself and a stranger, like a delivery person or a salesperson, calls through the door station, I can use the voice changer to disguise my voice for added privacy and safety.
Exactly. It's super user-friendly.
Let's try it.
Sure. First, press the room number, then call.
Let's see. I got it.
Yeah.
Let's hit answer.
Yes.
And I see there's a new icon here, right?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Voice changer. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that's fun.
Yes.
I think that's total a peace of mind for every resident.
Yeah. And we'll be adding even more voice options soon.
That's great. Well, let's talk about another cool upgrade for property managers. The Smart Pro app was originally designed for residents, right? But now security guards and property managers can use it to stay on top of everything as well.
Exactly. When security guards are out patrolling, they might miss calls from the property office or alarms from residents. That can cause delays when something urgent happens, and we definitely don't want that.
Yeah.
So here's the fix. Let me show you how it works.
Okay.
First, the installer logs into the cloud platform and enables remote management when setting up the project.
Yeah.
Once it's on, switch to the property manager account, and you'll see remote management in the navigation bar. Let's add a remote manager. You can create up to 5 Smart Pro app accounts. Then the property manager will receive an email with app username and password.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Sure.
First, you need to open the DNAKE Smart Pro app.
Yeah.
The property manager.
You've got to change the row. Oh, I can see that.
Yeah,
Logging
login as property manager. Yeah, after you log in, you'll get calls and receive alarm messages from the door station or indoor monitor.
Yes.
I'll show you. See,
Oh.
there is a new alarm notification.
Oh, I see. This means quicker response times, enhanced security and smoother experience for both property managers and residents. Like everyone can feel more confident knowing that the issues are being handled efficiently and safely.
And soon we'll be bringing more of the web features to the Smart Pro apps, so it'll be even easier for installers and property managers to manage everything.
That's great.
Besides the new features, we've also upgraded some old ones. Take the better Temp Key experience, for example. Before, if a building had several entrances, visitors could use the Temp Key at any door, which wasn't very secure. Now, you're assigned Temp Keys to specific doors and set limits on when and where they can be used.
That's a huge improvement. How do we set that up?
Let me show you.
Sure.
It's really simple.
Yeah.
Just go into the Smart Pro app. Head to Me, tap on the Temp Key settings. Let's create a Temp Key. Customize the name. Pick the doors you want the key to work with.
Okay.
You can also set time limits and delete each door count, which is how many times visitors can unlock the door. Don't forget to set a time. Then submit it. Now you can share the key. There are many options for you. If you need to delete it, then click here.
Oh, I see. That's really cool. The new version really keeps making the platform easier for everyone to use. And I guess that just wraps up the main features of DNAKE Cloud Platform 1.7.0. Well, for this webinar, we've also got our product manager, Yipeng, here to talk about the upcoming plans for the cloud platform and some exciting new features. Welcome, Yipeng.
Yeah, thanks, Ava. So, looking ahead, we are planning to release 2 versions next quarter, probably around May or June. Here's what you can expect. And first, you will be able to set up level distributors, which will be easier for you to manage sales network in larger markets. And second, you will get a brand new UI and improved user experience with over a dozen upgrades, like a more streamlined device setup, easier user management, a fresh new look, new product support for cloud connected, and a free access mode for more convenience, and so on.
Okay, sounds exciting.
Yeah. Well, those are just some of the features coming up. We are really excited about new updates and cannot wait to roll them up.
Well, hopefully we'll see you all soon. Seriously, if you got any feedback or ideas, send them our way. We're all ears.
Yeah.
Well, today we also want to share a quick look at our product plans for 2025. So, Yipeng, tell us about it.
Yeah, okay. Here's what we got lined up for 2025. 7 brand new intercom products, 3 major upgrades to the cloud platform, a wider range of smart home products like smart locks and thermostats, and a fresh new line of AC access control systems.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah, stay tuned.
And here's some more great news. Our offices in Canada and the US are already up and running, and we've got more plans to open offices in France and the Middle East soon. On top of that, in 2025, we're going to be at around 15 trade shows across the world, from Asia to Europe, North America, the Middle East. Some of the upcoming events in April are Kazakhstan Security Systems, ISC West in the US, the security event in the UK, the Securica Moscow 2025 in Russia. Then in May, we'll be at Architect 25 in Thailand and Smart Home Expo 2025 in India. And in June, you'll catch us at Apartmentalize 2025 in the US. We'd love for you to swim by our booth, check out our latest products, and chat with us about what's trending in the market. We can't wait to see you there. And that's a wrap for today's webinar. If you got any questions about the new features in Cloud Platform 1.7.0, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.